and the hot water tank is up on a stand as per code, so you know, hopefully all that's good. It's electronic hot water tank. This water's almost in the house. Hopefully I'll be able to keep everything closed up. BMW 535xi. Outside I actually have a oh my goodness, I have a F-150 in the driveway. This is a 08 BMW, 2008 BMW 535xi. Oh yeah, by the way, here's another Frigidaire refrigerator. The side-by-side unit. Can't really get too far back to show it to you. But either way, we only got about maybe a ½ inch before it starts coming in the house. Before it starts coming in the main living area of the house.